Hi everyone. If you have experience in recruitment or hiring processes, here is a remote job opportunity for you. The company's name is Coalition Technologies and this is a fully remote job opportunity for people around the world. The company is offering base pay rate of around $15 to $35 per hour. Anyone with prior experience with recruitment, sourcing, screening, hiring, etc. Can apply for the job. If you have international recruiting experience, you will be preferred. However, it is not mandatory. Here you will be required to work 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time. Now let's check out about the job details. Here the profile's name is recruiter. So the company offers competitive paid time off plan, promoting work-life balance, and they also have subsidized gym membership to help team members feel their best. And for US team members, they have medical, dental, vision, and life insurance packages. International health insurance reimbursement programs are there for all international team members. And device upgrade and learning reimbursement programs are there. They also have additional job-specific incentives and bonuses. And as I said, this is 100% remote job opportunity. So 100% of their team works remotely and they use time tracking software. So no matter from which part of the world you belong, you can apply for this job. Now let's check out about the skills and experience that the company is looking for. So for the role of recruiter, the company is looking for someone with prior experience with recruitment, sourcing, screening, hiring, etc. And if you have international recruiting experience, you will be a preferred candidate. And you should have passion for recruitment and human resources. You should have great interpersonal, analytical, problem solving, negotiating, influencing, facilitation, decision making, and conflict resolution skills. You should be able to stay highly organized and great attention to detail, the ability to maintain strict confidentiality and discretion. You should have excellent written and spoken English because here you will be dealing with international candidates and you should be available to work for 40 hours per week from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. PST time. And you should have passion to build a startup, an ongoing and friendly disposition, a reliable workstation with a fast computer, microphone and speakers, reliable internet and power if working remotely. So because this is a remote job opportunity, you must have a reliable workstation uh, that comprise a fast computer or laptop or a microphone or like speakers should be there and you should have a reliable internet connection and power backup. Now here's a list of duties and tasks that you can expect working as a recruiter with Coalition Technologies. So as a recruiter, you will be drafting and posting job ads. You will be reviewing resumes and screen candidates. You need to schedule, you will be scheduling interviews and skill tests by coordinating appointments. You need to conduct interviews with candidates on Zoom. So you should be able to handle, you should be, so as a remote worker, it is very important to know how to do meeting on Zooms because here as a recruiter, you will be reviewing and interacting with candidates through Zoom meetings and administrating skills tests, inputting, updating, and maintaining data in the recruiting database. You will be conducting exit interviews in the event that an employee leaves the company. Okay. And you will be assisting management with personal issues and employee development. You will be assisting management with organizing and coordinating employee training workshops. You will be planning and executing company events and protecting operations by keeping human resource information confidential. You will be providing horizontal support to other staff members of the recruiting team. So the company is looking for someone who is talented and diligent and excels in their skill tests. And here they have also mentioned that they will consider these candidates even if the past experience or educational background criteria are not met. So if you have zeal to work as a recruiter, but you don't have prior experience as a recruiter, you can still check out the role and you can apply for the job. Now here, for candidates from California, New York, Washington, and Colorado, starting base pay rate for this position ranges between $15 to $35 per hour. However, compensation may vary based on other factors depending on experience, qualifications, skill test performance, geographic location of the candidate, and seniority of the position offered. So outside these states, the compensation may fall outside the above ranges. So now if you think that it could be a good fit for this position, check out the role and all the details. Here is the application form that you can fill by providing your name, email ID, phone number, and you can provide your preferred contact method. And then how did you find us? You can upload your resume and cover letter here and then apply for the job. So if your profile gets selected, you will be getting emails from the company for their skill test. If you pass your skill test, you will be notified for the next steps. So this is a great opportunity for people who already have experience in recruitment or or who are interested in these kind of profile and want to work remotely. So go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.